Hey there, my name is Amir, and in this Lens Studio tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the hand segmentation template. The hand segmentation template allows you to segment your hand and replace it with an image, custom material, or use it as an occluder. This template is divided into 4 sections: 3D segmentation, 2D simple segmentation, 2D parallax segmentation, and effects. With that said, let's dive in. First, open Lens Studio 3.2 and select the hand segmentation template. This is a main example of the template which demonstrates how you attach objects to a hand. This example has an occluder which you can use to occlude an object as it goes behind the hand. To see how this works in action, let's disable the airplane object for now. Then, I'm going to create a new sphere by clicking on the plus button and selecting the sphere. This will create a sphere for us and place it in the root of the objects panel. I will set the sphere as a child of the attached to hand in 3D object. Now, as soon as I set the sphere as a child of the attached to hand in 3D, you can see it start to move with the user's hand. Now, I'm going to move the sphere in the scene panel. You can see that our sphere is now getting occluded when it passes the hand image in the scene panel. I'm going to enable the airplane now. With the twin rotation, our plane is turning around the hand. Notice that as soon as it goes behind the hand, it will automatically get occluded. You can do this with any of your object, 2D, 3D, text, or other. Check out the documentation page to learn more. The hand segmentation template also comes with other example which shows how you can assign an image to get displayed within the hand. This example uses a custom material which was made by the material editor. To try this example, disable the 3D objects example, and then let's try to enable each example and see how we can customize them. First example is simple hand texture. As you can see, this example is showing an image so that it only appears on the hand. To change the image shown on the hand, we need to import our image by dragging and dropping it into the inspector panel. Then, select the example object, and then in the inspector panel, right-click on the material and press select. This will select the custom material which was used for the example so that we can edit it. At this moment, we can change the texture by clicking on the Base Textures texture input and selecting your newly imported texture. Amazing! Now you can see our own image appear on the hand. To see how the custom material works on this example, just double-click on the material itself and it will open the material in the Material Editor panel. Parallax hand texture example uses the position data from the hand object tracking to create a parallax effect look applied within the hand. This example uses a helper script to get the position data from the hand object tracking and then convert that data into the screen point. After converting the data to screen point, this will pass the data to a material path which is defined by the user. In this case, it passes the data to the centers property of the material. To customize the material, select the parallax hand texture object in the Objects panel, and then like before, in the Inspector panel, right-click on the material and press Select. This will select the material, allowing you to customize its properties. Try doing what you learned in the last example to customize the parallax material. Like before, to see how the custom material works on this example, just double-click on the material itself and it will open the material in the Material Editor panel. Lastly, when making an AR experience, you can make it more immersive by adding interactivity. This template comes with a helper script to help you do so. You can find these effects in the Objects panel under the Attached to Hand in 3D, 3D Objects example, Airplane, Effect Controllers. In this section, you can see how each effects work. For example, take a look at the Hand Gesture controller. This is similar to how the hand gesture template works. You can see that the close gesture trigger gets called when the user closes their hand. Now, if you look at the plane twin turnaround object inside the plane turn effect, There is a behavior which responds to that trigger by playing an animation to spin the airplane. If you want to learn more about the hand segmentation as well as effects used in the template, please refer to Lens Studio's guide page for more in-depth information. Thanks for watching and have fun creating your hand segmentation lenses.